Making a do-it-yourself Easter tree. It's a project that's really simple, not hard, a beginner can do. First, you're going to need a pot. I use a 6-inch clay pot for mine. You're going to need Spanish moss. You're going to need Vase Styrofoam, and that's what I use for mine. But they come in different sizes. You just want to make sure that the foam fits inside of the pot. But in my case, I use a vase size. Also, you're going to need a floral bush or a floral branches. You just want to make sure, once again, that it fits in the pot. I use a floral bush. And glass beads or rocks. Basically, what you're going to do is just put the foam at the bottom, stick your bush into the foam, put the beads on top so it doesn't tilt. Once you put your beads on top and make sure that it's very stable, centered, then you're just going to top it with some Spanish moss. Once you've topped it with the Spanish moss, then you're going to the next step of decorating your tree. Now, for decorating my tree, I got some eggs with ribbons on it. You can use any type of Easter ornament that hangs. So, once again, I will be using Easter eggs. Also, I bought Easter picks. Some look like chicks, little chickens, and some actually look like eggs. I have seen all types of whatever you would like to put on your tree. Also, I was able to find carrots that could go on my tree. They have twisty tops, and I'm able to twist them. And as you can see, I'm just placing the eggs on the tree any way that you like. I'm rotating the tree as I do it. I got different color eggs, and basically what I'm going to do is just keep doing that until I'm done. I mean, the project is really simple. It's nothing complicated. It can be done any way that you like. Any type of color, any type of style, any type of pot is whatever your wish is. As I keep decorating the tree, I kind of keep in mind of how I want them to go, but it really doesn't matter because once they all go on the tree will be beautiful. If you're using branches, the branches will be beautiful. So basically, that's what I'm doing, is just making sure that I have it the way that I want it. And you just keep going on decorating. Also, I forgot to add, if you cannot find a floral bush, you can also use just the regular like silk flowers. I've actually seen them where they actually look like a little mini tree. You could actually get maybe like 2 or 3 of them, put them together, and that can actually form a bush. And I've seen purple, pink, yellow. They come in different colors. The trick is to make it full and it's able to hold your decorations. That's the whole point. And finally, at the end, I put the picks, the little chicks at the end, as you can see on the video. And I also put the little eggs at the bottom. They were actually broke on me. The little ribbon came out and the eggs broke. But I still made it work. I put it at the bottom like it was just nesting in a basket or, on top of the Spanish moss. So this is the completed project. Hopefully you find this tutorial helpful. And once again, this is very easy and it's a great beginner product.